Precision in electronics starts long before the software. It's built on a rock-solid mechanical foundation. Meet the AFARCO PNP. The Smoothieboard is the core of the AFARCO PNP. Upgrading from traditional 8-bit system, this 32-bit powerhouse provides advanced computing and fluid macro stepping for flawless motion controls. Powered by OpenPnP, Smoothie Lock Ahead feature delivers extreme speed without sacrificing precision. Zero vibration, zero error. Perfect for the most delicate electronics. Customization is simply with Smoothie, without the need for complicated curve recompiling. The AFARCO PNP lets you master the tech in minutes. AFARCO PNP and the Smoothie platform, the perfect combination for your professional SMT life. Contact us today to experience it for yourself.